Hi, glad you're here. Welcome to our form editor for reviews and surveys that are now more customizable than ever. Let's first dive in to see how to edit your performance review forms. Go to Manage Cycles and click on Forms. Select a form you would like to edit. You can either edit or duplicate it to create a new instance and edit it. If we choose to duplicate, you can rename the form. That is, create a totally new form. That also opens up the form editor, where you see a preview of the current form on the left-hand side. And on the right side, that's where you can actually edit the content, add categories, questions, etc. Let's start adding content. Here on the top right, you can add a category. Note that all questions need to be under a category, so you need to set up your category first. This is how it's displayed, and now you can add a question. Click on the same icon, Add Question, and type a new question. You can define if it's mandatory, if it has a title, or a tip. And of course, what is the question type? If I choose Scale, I can select from different scale types and change the labels. I can click here to edit the labels. To edit labels, I just change the text of the labels and save changes. And see it here in the preview. I can also create a new scale and define if there are 4 or 5 different scales. Now, let's add another question. This time, let's create a multiple select or single select question. We click on the type Select. To add options, just enter the text with line breaks and save. You can also add a comment and save. Now I can move a question up or down within the category. I cannot move a question from category to category, so make sure you have your structure set up beforehand. At any point, you can change the name of the form and define if you want to display numbering. When you close the editor, you might need to refresh the Forms page to see the changes there. Now, let's go to Surveys. In Surveys, you first have to go to Company Surveys and click on Survey Setup. You can only edit a survey that hasn't launched yet. So, let's find a draft and go to Edit the Survey. This will open the form and everything else as described before. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Looking forward to your feedback.